Hello, my name is Greg Burns, and I'm here with my business partner, Nick Pershoda, representing CheckMate. A little bit about myself. I'm a recent graduate from Purdue University, where I studied mechanical engineering with a minor in management and a certificate in entrepreneurship and innovation. I'll get right into it and describe what CheckMate is. Our mission at CheckMate is to provide young professionals with a development tool that helps them become better all-around people. It gives them a structure to develop right out of college. That gets into the problem that we saw. Nick and I were developing our goals, talking about where we wanted to be 5 to 10 years from now, and we realized we've always been told, write down your goal, have a plan, have every single step written down for why you want to be where you're going to be. But that's kind of where the advice stopped. We'd never really been given a good layout for how to set up our goals, a good plan for how to make sure we're going to achieve our goals. Never really been followed up with on any of this. That's where we see CheckMate can come in and help. I know this sounds like CheckMate is just going to be another task manager, another scheduler, but CheckMate is much more than that. CheckMate is a platform that uses psychology and research to develop the best ways to motivate young professionals and help them achieve their goals. By setting up different goal categories and allowing them to set up a reasonable amount of goals as well as achievable goals, we're helping people be successful. CheckMate ultimately gives people what they want. Success. Now I'm going to hand it off to Nick to talk a little bit about where we are and where we're going.
Thanks, Greg. I'm Nick Pershoda. I am a senior mechanical engineering here at the Pennsylvania State University. I'm also on the executive team for InnoBlue, which is our student-led entrepreneurship organization. Greg and I are in the front-end development of our minimum viable product. We are in the process of creating a wireframe model for our product using Fluid UI. We've conducted market research with nearly 70 people engaged in helping us find the exact problems that people have with their own development and their ideas of success. So we also asked what motivates them and what they think that they can do to be successful. We are also utilizing the Department of Psychology here at Penn State to study the psychology of decision-making and motivation. We want to keep our application as simple as possible, so we're incorporating graphics into our design instead of text, and we're using pre-configured goals that people can select under a decision tree. Our first version will be very basic, and we'll test our fundamental approach to motivation and goal accomplishment. We intend to use push notifications that pose questions and use positive reinforcement to help people accomplish their goals. Our second version of our product will use an adjusted approach considering the user feedback that we would get from the first version. It will add features to the application such as geolocation and assist in targeted push notifications to help track users' success. Our revenue model is very interesting. Our first version will not generate any revenue. And this is because we want to purely solidify our development approach and build a customer base. After our initial prototype, we will use geolocation to direct our customers to nearby businesses that align with our goals. These businesses will pay us to direct our customers to them. For instance, if one of our customers has a fitness goal and we know using geolocation that they have been at the gym and they're on their way home, we will send them a push notification saying, for instance, 15% off of this protein at CVS. CVS would have pre-negotiated a deal with us to have us put push notifications to our customers, directing them to their stores. This will happen with many other businesses and will provide for a constant revenue stream. So CheckMate wants to help cash flow and generate business within Pennsylvania. We will generate business within Pennsylvania using our revenue model, which I just described, but we would also like to hire a few people. We intend to hire some outreach marketing people, a couple of app developers, and as well as a couple of psychology experts to help us with our goals and motivation. We need your help in the development of our product. We would like to use INCU's funding to pay local developers to assist in the development of our products. And we would also like to sponsor some psychological research in the areas of goal-oriented motivation and disciplinary tactics.
Our goal at CheckMate is to provide the current generation with next generation approach at personal development and professional development. We are CheckMate, and thank you for your time.